What's the distinction between dentures and dental implants? If you're looking to replace missing teeth, there are two significant choices to consider: dental implants and dentures. Both options each have its own advantages and disadvantages. However, it's crucial to comprehend the main difference between the two to take an informed choice regarding which is the best option for you. Implants in the mouth are a lasting replacement for missing teeth. They're titanium posts, which can be surgically placed into the jawbone to act as tooth root replacements. When the implants are fully established themselves and have bonded with the jawbone, the crown, bridge, or denture is placed on the implant, resulting in an attractive and practical replacement for missing teeth. In contrast, dentures are a removable appliance designed to substitute some or all missing teeth. Dentures may be full or partial, contingent upon the number of teeth that must be substituted. Full dentures can be utilized in cases where all teeth of the lower or upper jaw are missing. Alternatively, partial dentures are utilized in cases where only a couple of teeth are missing. One of the primary differences between dental implants as well as dentures is their degree of long-term permanence. Dental implants are seen as permanent solutions because they're designed to last for the duration of their life when properly maintained and taken care of. The dentures, on the contrary, of the other hand, could have to be replaced or repositioned periodically because of wear and tear or changes in jawbone structure. A key distinction in dentures and dental implants is the functionality. Implants work in a similar way to natural teeth, which allows to chew normally and have speaking ability. Implants also assist in preserving the jawbone as well as prevent bones from losing their strength that could occur due to missing teeth. On contrary, could not be as effective in terms of functionality because they are susceptible to shifting or slipping during eating or when speaking that can make you uncomfortable and can affect the speech. Cost is a major important factor to think about when choosing between dentures or dental implants. Implants for dental purposes are usually more costly than dentures since the procedure is lengthy and requires numerous appointments as well as surgical placement of the implants. Many patients, however, find they enjoy the long-term advantages from dental implants, including greater stability and endurance surpass the initial price. When it comes to maintenance, in terms of maintenance, dental implants are straightforward to take care of, needing frequent flossing and cleaning, as natural teeth do. However, dentures in contrast require special care and cleaning products to stop accumulation of bacteria and prolong the life. The dentures should also be washed and kept overnight for their appearance and to avoid drying out. In the end, your choice between dentures or dental implants will depend on your specific desires and needs. If you're seeking an effective, long-lasting, and natural replacement for your missing teeth, and you are prepared to put money into a long-term option, implants may be the right choice for you. But if price is a major concern, or you'd prefer to have a removable solution, dental implants could be the best option. As a result, both dentures and dental implants each have its own benefits and drawbacks. It is important to speak with the dentist you trust to go over your options, and then determine the best option for replacing your teeth that are missing. When it comes to dentures or dental implants, each option will provide an effective and attractive replacement for teeth missing and can improve the health of your mouth and improving your smile.